Make a great choice today with the 2026 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, rear window defroster, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, traction control, electronic stability control, brake assist, navigation system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.